Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sleep tech with what many are calling the best sleep speaker on the market, the Morseatooke pillow speaker. If you've been struggling to get a good night's rest or just looking to enhance your relaxation, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let's kick things off with what makes this speaker stand out. Designed with advanced white noise technology, the Morseatooke pillow speaker is crafted to create the ultimate environment for relaxation and deep sleep. It's not just about playing music, it's about using sound to enhance your sleep quality. One of its unique features is the bone conduction design, which allows you to place the speaker under your pillow. This is especially beneficial for side sleepers, as it delivers clear audio without disturbing your partner. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth, ensuring you can easily pair it with your devices. And when it comes to durability, Morseatooke has used premium materials to ensure this speaker lasts, providing you with a reliable sleep companion night after night. Setting it up is straightforward, and once connected, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience, whether it's for relaxation, meditation, or just unwinding after a long day. Wrapping it up, the Morseatooke pillow speaker is more than just a gadget, it's a tool for better sleep and relaxation. With its innovative design and high-quality construction, it's easy to see why it's gaining popularity. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below about your thoughts on sleep tech. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased reviews on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.